Hello and welcome to Learning English with Teacher Jas. Today, we are going to upgrade our sequence connectors. Let's look at these 5 sequence connectors that we usually use. Firstly, secondly, next, finally, and in conclusion. Well, there's no problem in using all these 5 sentence connectors. But if you want to get better marks for your exam, you have to use variety of sequence connectors. Let's look at this short essay on how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. There are many ways that we can do to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Firstly, we must wear masks whenever we are in public areas. Secondly, we must wash our hands using soap and water or apply hand sanitizer. Next, practice physical distancing by staying at least 1 meter from other people. Finally, stay home as much as possible. In conclusion, it is our duty to stop the spread of COVID-19. In this essay, I'm using all the sequence connectors that I've mentioned before. Now, we can change the sequence connectors to other sequence connectors. Firstly, we change to in the first place. Secondly, we can use in addition. Next, we can also use equally important is. For finally, let's try and use last but not least. And for in conclusion, we can try all things considered. The meanings are still the same. Let's look at the same essay, but now we change the sequence connectors. There are many ways that we can do to prevent the spread of COVID-19. In the first place, we must wear masks whenever we are in public areas. In addition, we must wash our hands using soap and water or apply hand sanitizer. Equally important is to practice physical distancing by staying at least 1 meter from each other. Last but not least, stay home as much as possible. All things considered, it is our duty to stop the spread of COVID-19. So, what do you think? Can you do this? Now you can upgrade your essay too. Just try it. Bye!